Good evening, campers, and welcome back to Lotus Operations. And just remember, the simplest things around you can be used for your everyday needs. So let's begin. Okay guys, in today's video, we are going to be utilizing rice as a glue to glue pieces of paper together. Now, this is not going to be a glue like you would buy from a commercial grade, but in a survival situation, if you need to adhere some paper to something, or at least together to be able to make whatever you need to make, supposedly you can use rice to make glue. So let's try it out and see how well it works and know if it actually would be a good adhesive for your bare minimum stuff that you need to do. Okay guys, as you can see, we have our paper and we have our rice. And from what I was told by my wife and co-workers is all you're going to have to do is you're going to have to literally take the rice and you're going to crush it on the piece of paper, creating the adhesive, basically stuff that will be here. Mush it on, spread it to where you need to spread it. And it's already getting slightly sticky here. So you spread how much you need to spread and stuff like that. And you go like this. We're going to leave those little pieces there. And then you're going to adhere it over like this. And you're going to adhere it down and glue it down like this. Okay guys, so as I said, we have got this adhesive together. We are going to allow this to dry. I don't know exactly how long because they never specified. So I got to run an errand and I will be back. And then we are going to see how well this adhesive is going to hold together from just a few grains of rice. So let's wait until it dries. Okay guys, and welcome back. And it's been about an hour since I have adhered this to the paper, and we are going to see exactly how well this works and holds together for our project. So let's flip the camera around and let's hopefully see how well it works. So as you can see guys, we have our paper right here, which was adhered by the rice particles, and our whole grains of rice are basically dry. They're right here. They're still a little squishy, but they're dry, but we're gonna see exactly after an hour if this is holding well or does it just fall apart like normal. So the normal weight test, as you can see, it's holding together. And now we're going to pull it apart. And as you can see, it's left marks behind on the newspapers as each pieces were pulled apart by the stuff. Now, this type of glue here would be a one-time use. As you can see, it doesn't go back once it dries, but you can see that it does adhere paper together. So for your bare minimum stuff like making books, cigarettes, or any other stuff you're trying to adhere together for pieces of paper, rice will work from your everyday common stuff that you would eat and you can use as a form of survival purposes if you need glue. So hope you enjoyed the video, and Lotus Operations out, and we got more videos on the way.